If you've seen a viral video that China has 10G internet that is going to replace 5G and Wi-Fi, just stop right there. That's not true. That is not what's happening, and I'm going to explain it in the video. So China was going to name their new upgraded wired infrastructure to 10G. And this was contested by a lot of regulatory organizations outside of China, which China obviously didn't listen to. They told them that 10G is misleading. It's going to cause problems because 5G, 6G, 4G, 3G is what telecommunication or wireless networks use. So this is obviously misleading. But China did not listen and they went forward and called it 10G. Maybe because they wanted to create hype, and then obviously it got picked up by social media influencers or so-called techies. And they obviously misinformed the public about this. So China has basically upgraded the infrastructure to 50G PON. Now, what this means is today, if you're getting 1 Gbps with this network, you're going to get 10 Gbps. Now, do we actually need it? That's the question. Now, China is upgrading their network. That's a great thing. They should do that. Every country should do that. But that's only making it future-proof. As of today, there is absolutely no need for normal users to have a 10 Gbps connection. So for reference, let's look at some of the things that a normal consumer does. Let's look at Netflix. So for a 4K Netflix video to buffer, you just need 25 Mbps. For Zoom calls, you only need 3 Mbps. For gaming, you need somewhere around 5 to 10 Mbps. 1 Gbps already exists. It's pretty expensive, but most of the countries have 1 Gbps connections. And if you do get that, it's an overkill. Nobody, as of today, normal consumers at least, nobody is going to use a 1 Gbps connection. Let me give you an example as to when you would actually require a 1 Gbps connection. So 1 Gbps connection you would require if you're sending 8K files every day, and that to 200, 300 of them per day. In that case, you would require a 1 Gbps connection. And if you do need that 1 Gbps connection, only and only then you would actually appreciate a 10 Gbps connection. Now, all of this infrastructure upgrade, normal consumers will never make use of it. 8K, still there is no transmission for it, nor will we ever have TVs that are 8K below 100 inches. So 10 Gbps, that's great, but normal consumers are never going to use it. Now, businesses, on the other hand, they do require, and especially if you want smart cities, self-driving vehicles, real-time cloud gaming, VR experiences. So all of this does require extremely low latency networks. Now, extremely low latency networks, although 10 Gbps provides you somewhere around 5 to 10 ms of latency, this has been achieved by 5G as well. And 6G will enable it even further. So wireless networks are also right there when it comes to latency. So while this is an impressive feat by China, the only people that tend to benefit from this would be most probably be businesses that are handling extremely large volumes of data and they need extreme high speed internet connection. So the next time someone says that 10G is going to replace 5G and Wi-Fi, send them this video.